Hello friends, this is Kumar and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we are going to discuss Advice to Women by Eunice D'Souza. Eunice D'Souza was born in 1944 in Pune to Roman Catholic parents of Goa origin. She received her education at Bombay and in United States. Apart from teaching English literature at St. Xavier's College, Bombay for a long time, Eunice has also been involved in theatres as an actor and director. Because of her involvement in theatres, she projects her characters and backgrounds of her stories or poems in a dramatic way. She gives proper names to her characters and places in her poems and as well as in her novels. As far as Eunice's personal life is concerned, she lost her father when she was just 3 years old. And she also had a strained relationship with her mother, who belongs to an Orthodox origin. That her life has been a continuous struggle of psychological and political upheavals is described in her poems and autobiographical, where she has accepted that she had even attempted suicide once. Eunice D'Souza's poetry deals with social injustice and prejudices, repressions and secondary status of women vis-a-vis her experience and awareness of the Catholic Goan life in Pune. As such, her poems have a strong feminist thrust and express her solidarity with other women. The present poem, Advice to Women, is a short and dramatic poem. The poem builds upon the haughty indifference of a cat to the world around it. The poet says that the attitude of a woman should also be the same when jilted by her lover or husband or the society. Now let us read the poem. Keep cats if you want to learn to cope with the otherness of lovers. The poet has advised the woman to keep cats as pet animals and to learn to cope with the otherness of lovers. Otherness of lover means indifference of the lover towards you. So the poet says that if your lover or your husband is indifferent towards you, so you must learn from a cat. You know the behavior of cat. Those who have pet animals as cats, they know how the cat behaves. It is very difficult to cope with cats. Cats are not easily entangled. They are not like dogs. They are very intelligent and indifferent toward you. So it is very difficult to keep a cat. That's why the poet says that a woman should have the same attitude towards the world around it, towards her lover or her husband. If they are being indifferent to you, you must adopt the attitude of a cat towards your husband or your lovers. Otherness is not always neglect. Cats return to their litter trays when they need to. So here the poet says that otherness is not always neglect. Means your lovers or your husbands are not always neglected towards you. Cats return to their litter trays when they need to. Here litter trays is a kind of sandbox which is kept to collect the feces and urine by the household cats. So cats return to them when they need to. When they feel they should urinate or feces means they should dung, so they return to their litter trays. It has been compared with the husbands or lovers. Husbands or lovers returns to their beeves or beloveds whenever they feel excess, whenever they feel like having fun or having enjoyment, they return to their weaves or their lovers. So this is how the poet has compared the litter trays of cats to the enjoyment of husbands or lovers. Whenever they feel they should enjoy themselves, they return to their weaves. Don't cuss out of the window at their enemies. Cuss means to make use of offensive or bitter words towards your lover or anybody. So don't cuss out of the window. Here the poet says that women should not degrade themselves by lauding or using offensive words towards your lover when they are being indifferent to you. So she says that instead of being, using loudly words or in offensive words towards your lover, they should adopt the attitude of a cat towards their lovers. Means, you should use that attitude of the cat towards your lovers. You should not degrade yourselves by using offensive words. You should feel that it doesn't matter to you if you are behaving indifferent to us. So it doesn't matter to us. You just have your fun. It doesn't matter to us. We care nothing about it. So he says that a woman should be indifferent towards her lovers too if he is being indifferent to you. That stare of perpetual surprise in those great green eyes will teach you to die alone. Perpetual means something which happens often or happens all the time. So the eyes of a cat reflects a perpetual surprise about the world and its affairs. So the cat reflects upon the word and meditate the ways of the word without letting it disturb her stableness and her calmness. In those great green eyes, green colors is a symbol of balance and order in life. So the cat's eyes are described here as great because they perceive and meditate upon the ways of the world and its affairs. So here the poet says that you must adopt the stare of that cat. You must not use offensive or bitter words towards your lover. You must not degrade yourselves by using these kind of language. You must not offend them in any way. You must adopt that perpetual surprise of a cat, and it will do your work. It will teach you how to cope with your lovers when you are being jilted by them. So you should not degrade yourselves by doing all these things. You must adopt that perpetual surprise you must adopt that perpetual stare, and that stare will teach you how to handle with the otherness of your lovers, and that's how you can deal with this. Will teach you to die alone means that the poet means to say that the woman should not feel inferior, or woman should not give away their individuality and personal grace for the fear of being left alone. So here says that you must adopt perpetual stare, and that will teach you to live and to die alone and to face the world in a positive way. That is all the idea the poet has tried to give in this poem. This much all in this lecture. Stay tuned for further lectures. If you like the video, please like, share and comment, and please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you may get updates from our channel whenever we upload any video. That is all. Thank you very much for joining us.